Sandy here again from Bird's Nest, and we are here in my room doing a wardrobe clean out. We are super excited. We have just launched a new initiative here at Bird's Nest called Bird's Nest Rehatched. What this means is it's going to give you the opportunity while cleaning out your wardrobe to recycle and send in some of your old Bird's Nest pieces that just aren't quite right anymore. And guess what? When you send them in, you'll receive a Bird's Nest credit. Yep, for some more fun shopping with the Bird's Nest girls. We sort of feel like it's the perfect time. We've all got a lot of extra time on our hands at the moment, and everybody has always wanted to clean out the wardrobe and get it sorted. So now is your time, and I'm here to help you with a few tips and tricks. Okay guys, so step number one is put on your favorite playlist. For me, it's going to be ABBA. Yes, I know, some of you are going to go, oh no, not ABBA, but I love ABBA. Grab a glass of wine or maybe a bottle and then clean up your room so that it's nice and neat and tidy to start with a blank canvas. Step two is clean everything or take everything out of your closet. This will also make you and force you to find all the things that are hiding in the back of your cupboard or in drawers that you have forgotten have been there for a long time. This will give you a clean slate to work with. Okay, now step three. Take a look at each item and ask yourself these questions. If I saw this in a store today, would I actually buy it? Do I wear this often? Does it fit me well? And does this make me feel like myself? And now step four. Here's for the fun part. You are going to create 3 piles. A keep pile, a donate pile, and a Bird's Nest rehatched pile. So the final step is to organize your wardrobe the way it works for you. Now this is going to depend on what sort of space you've got. You may want to color code your wardrobe, you may want to put your skirts together, pants together, tops together, sweaters together, however it works for you. But always remember that most of us only use 20% of our wardrobe 80% of the time. So keep that in mind when you're putting your things in your wardrobe and where you're organizing them.